everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate an activity completed report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Dashboard Accounts menu under the Accounts module. Now the account dashboard page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to select the required details. After enter the required details, then we have to click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the voucher details are shown on the accounts dashboard page. Now we have to click the activity completed report button. On this account dashboard activity completed report page, the activity completed status job list will be shown. If you want to download this detail, just we have to click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button to download this report. This is how to generate an activity completed report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.